Well, today I would like to show you how to get paid to read and review books to make $100 a day. So this is the earn money online method that I have to show in this video. If you are a book lover, if you are interested in reading books, then this video is only for you. If you just simply read books and earn money with that by just reviewing it. So this is a very easy way. If you are doing already, if you're reading books already, you just love books, you read it online or offline, this video is only for you. You can just turn it into cash simply without wasting any more time. I'm going to show you 3 different websites that you can just go on and you just work with as a book reviewer, and you can have an opportunity to read not only one type of books. I learn more things on various type of categories. You can learn many type of books every day, and you can earn a decent amount of money like $100 a day without any hassle. So simply I'm going to show you the first website, which is called Kickass Review. So Kickass Review is reviews.com is the website address, which is a really good website for book lovers, and you can simply go through this website. They have a lots of way to express. They have magazines, they have books that you can read it out, and you can just earn money with that. So simply if you just go over to their career sections, which is like kickassreviews.com/about/careers, this is their career page. You can see that they have career opportunities, and they still told you already how you can apply as a book reviewer. You simply go through this website. You can see that you have to apply and you have to submit your resume to this email address. So simply you just submit your applications to this email address and asking for book reviewing work for them, so that you can just simply review books. And you have to do read about English or Spanish language titles books, and you have to review them to their review sections, so that you can simply work with them and they can pay you for your reviews. So they will definitely verify you. You have to pass some qualification test also. I suggest you send your some sample reviews about some books you already read, and you simply send the sample review to them, so that they have a better understanding how good you review books, so that they can hire you easily. So this is the first website. The number second positions, the website is called wcwonline.org. is a online organizations. WCW means Wesley Center for Women. This is work around women's, and they empowering them so that you can just go on and earn a decent amount of money. They have a book reviews job sections as well. So if you just go over to this organization's website, you just simply go down, and they in the publication sections you can see that women's review of books link. If you click on that, this is the women's book of review sections. You can see their latest released books and reviews, and you can see their videos about it, and you can read it all about, and you can also buy it. But if you want to be as a book reviewer and earn money with this, so that you can just join this page, and you can see that contact women's review of books sections. This is the link. If you just click on that, it will load the email address to contact them. So simply send your resume to this email address to be as a book reviewer. And also I suggest you send a sample review of your books, so that they have better understanding how good you are, and you are going to be recruited in no time without any worries. So that last but not least, the third website that I have to show is called onlinebookclub.org. So this is also an organization for book lovers, book readers, and book oriented peoples around the world. You just simply go to onlinebookclub.org. If you just go through this website, they have lots of books, and they have some reviews of it, and they have some ratings of it. So you do the ratings, you do the reviews, and that's where they rank their books out there, and they are growing day by day. And this is a very old website. So simply, if you just scroll all the way, this is a very long page, you simply scroll all the way down, and right at the bottom, you just simply see that there is a section called free books for reviews. So that's right, this is the free books for review. Get your books for free by becoming one of our official reviewers, so that you can earn money. So if you just click on this link, it will show this page. This is for to get paid to review books, and this is completely free. So how it works, you are given a selection of books to choose. The books are all free for you in exchange for a review. After your first approved review, they're going to surely review your reviews, and they will approve your review, and you will be eligible to get paid for the reviews too. So there is never any cost to you. So this is completely free, and you just simply get the book. So you do not have to say you love the books. You do not, that is the very important thing. You just critique the book, and you every time you do not have to say that this book is awesome, every book is awesome. You have to critique any books. If you just don't like it, you have to express in it in your reviews, so that people know what bad's in this book, what's goods in this book, so you can earn money. So most payouts currently range between $5 to $60 per review. You can earn money from this. So the first review, they're going to provide you the free books, and you can just read it out and review it and send it to them, and that is going to be a gateway for you, that they will not pay you for that review, but they will simply approve you. They will review your review, so that you can work with them as a reviewers, and later on, when you submit more reviews, and you can earn a decent amount of money, like $5 to $60 every review you send to them. So simply send your emails and type the words, and then simply fill up this form and submit. Hit the submit button, and you are good to go to be enrolled in as a book reviewer on onlinebookclubs.org. So this is the way, this is the all three websites that you can just earn and go and apply as a book reviewer and earn a decent amount of money every month. $100 a day is very easy. So if you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos of money hunt, so you can earn a decent amount of money every day. There are lots of methods out there. You can, if you just don't like this method, you can go watch other videos out there, and you can earn a decent amount of money. But if you are a book lover, this is all ready for you. If you are making money with this, you can make money. You read books every day without for no money, so for free. But why not make money with that? So this is the method. You have to work on it, so that you can earn money on it. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.